Hello everyone. Welcome to the Dezco Morgan channel. Today we're going to discuss something very important for security and privacy while browsing the internet. Yes, we're talking about the best VPNs available on the Chrome store. So don't skip this video and make sure to watch until the end. Text Chrome Store VPN High Security Anonymity appears on the screen. What is a VPN? Visual. Illustration of internet data being encrypted by a VPN. Before we dive into the recommended VPNs on the Chrome store, we need to understand what a VPN is and why we need it. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a technology that allows us to hide our online identity by encrypting the data sent and received over the internet. Animation showing the difference between a connection without a VPN and with a VPN. With a VPN, you can access blocked websites, protect your data, and stay anonymous while browsing. It's perfect for those who care about privacy. 2. Why use a VPN on Chrome? Clip of a Chrome browser with an active VPN extension. Why do we need a VPN on Chrome? Well, if you often use the internet on public networks like Wi-Fi and cafes or airports, a VPN can prevent hackers from stealing your personal data. Moreover, a VPN on Chrome is very practical since you can use it directly without installing additional applications on your device. Example of someone using public Wi-Fi without a VPN versus with a VPN. 3. Best VPN recommendations on the Chrome store. Chrome Web Store, displaying a list of VPNs. Now, let's move on to the most awaited part. VPN recommendations that you can download directly from the Chrome store. 1. Hotspot Shield VPN. High speed and free for basic use. 1. Great for streaming. 2. Touch VPN. No bandwidth limits and completely free. 3. Browsec VPN. Offers both free and premium versions with more server locations. 4. ZenMate VPN. Easy to use and provides various premium server locations. 5. Setup VPN. Free forever with many server choices. Host demonstrates how to install one of the VPNs on Chrome.
4. How to install and use a VPN on Chrome. Host opens Chrome Store and shows the steps. Now let's try installing one of the VPNs directly from the Chrome Store. It's super easy. 1. Open the Chrome Web Store. Visual display Web Store URL on the screen. 2. Search for the desired VPN extension. 3. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. 4. Activate the VPN by clicking the icon in the upper right corner of Chrome. 5. Choose a server and start browsing safely. A VPN successfully connected and the user accesses a previously blocked website. 5. Pros and cons of free VPNs. Graph showing internet speed with free versus premium VPNs. Free VPNs are convenient, but of course they come with drawbacks. Here are some things you need to know before using free VPNs on Chrome. Pros. 1. Free with no subscription fees. 2. Easy to use without installing additional software. 3. Helps access blocked websites. Cons. 1. Internet speed may be slower. 2. Limited server options. 3. Some services may log user data. If you need maximum protection, consider a premium VPN with better security features. Host smiling while showing the screen with an active VPN. So, those are the best VPN recommendations you can use directly from the Chrome store. VPNs are essential for protecting privacy and security while browsing the internet. If you have a favorite VPN recommendation, drop it in the comments. Like, comment and subscribe appears on the screen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Dezco Morgan channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on other exciting content. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Outro animation with Dezco Morgan logo plus background music.
In the vast expanse of the digital realm, where the web of interconnectivity doth weave its intricate tapestry, there ariseth a paramount need for the safeguarding of one's virtual presence. Amidst this burgeoning era of information, the Chrome Store presenteth a myriad of applications, among which the VPN virtual private network, standeth as a sentinel of high security and anonymity.
Within the hallowed halls of the Chrome store, one may encounter a plethora of VPN extensions, each professing unparalleled prowess in the art of digital concealment. Yet discernment is requisite, for not all that glitters is gold. Some free VPN extensions, though alluring, may harbor nefarious intentions, such as the injection of tracking cookies and advertisements into thy browser, thereby compromising thy privacy. It is prudent to eschew such dubious offerings and seek those with a proven record of integrity. Among the esteemed VPN extensions, Private Internet Access, PIA, standeth distinguished. PIA's Chrome extension encompasseth features such as ad blocking, tracker elimination, and WebRTC protection, ensuring a seamless and secure browsing experience. Moreover, PIA adhereth to a strict no-logs policy, safeguarding thy digital endeavors from unwarranted scrutiny. Another notable mention is Proton VPN, renowned for its unwavering commitment to privacy. Originating from the land of Switzerland, Proton VPN operateth under stringent privacy laws, offering a sanctuary for thy online activities. Its Chrome extension, though requiring a paid plan, provideth robust security features, including the secure core architecture, which routeth traffic through multiple servers, fortifying thy anonymity. Windscribe also meriteth attention, offering a user-friendly interface coupled with commendable security features. Its free plan bestoweth upon thee 10 GB of data per month, with access to servers in multiple countries. Windscribe's commitment to privacy is evident in its strict no-logs policy and the provision of features such as ad blocking and tracker prevention. However, caution must be exercised when navigating the realm of free VPN extensions. Many impose limitations such as bandwidth throttling, data caps, and may even engage in the unsavory practice of selling user data to third parties. Extensions such as Turbo VPN and Holler have been known to compromise user privacy and security, serving as a stark reminder that one must tread carefully in the selection of a VPN service. The implementation of a VPN kill switch is also of paramount importance. This feature ensureth that should the VPN connection falter, one's internet access is promptly severed, preventing the inadvertent exposure of sensitive data. Activating this feature varies by provider and application, but is essential for maintaining the integrity of one's anonymity. In the pursuit of unbridled access to streaming content, VPNs prove invaluable. By circumventing geo-restrictions, they grant thee passage to diverse libraries of content across the globe. Services such as NordVPN and Surfshark are lauded for their efficacy in unblocking platforms like Netflix, thereby enriching thy viewing experience. It is imperative to acknowledge that while VPN browser extensions afford a layer of protection within the confines of the browser, they do not extend their shield to other applications on thy device. For comprehensive security, the utilization of a full VPN application is advisable, encrypting all traffic emanating from thy device and ensuring holistic protection. In summation, the Chrome store offereth a vast array of VPN applications, each purporting to deliver high security and anonymity. Yet vigilance is essential in discerning the virtuous from the vile. By selecting reputable services such as Private Internet Access, Proton VPN, or Windscribe, and by implementing features like the VPN kill switch, one may navigate the digital realm with confidence and tranquility, assured of the sanctity of one's online presence.